There's 3 bolts to replace. 1, 2, and there is a 3rd one right down here. Push in the tab on the side and pull out. And just grab your capsule. And it pops right out. You got 1 bolt hole here, and then just these 2 on the top. 1 long bolt, 2 short ones. They're both 10mm. Next, take off your capsule here, just unscrew this, pull that off, and you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. You want to loosen both of these Phillips head screws. Once you've loosened those, all you have to do is take that tab and push it out, and out comes your plastic clip. Just remember how you put it in. There's a groove on this edge here, and then there's a locking piece. You can see that right here. That goes right under here, and set it in a safe spot. Alright, this is the new bulb. When you put it in, make sure you do not touch the glass filament on it. All you do is just take it, line it up. You can see that there's a metal tab, and there's these 2 little metal things. Just make sure it's locked into there. Next, take your plastic, your metal clip here. Put it back over here, and just snap it in. Alright, our metal clip is back in place now. All you have to do is take your screwdriver and screw them in. Once it's screwed back in, put your harness back on, just push it down, make sure it's locked in there. Take your cap, screw it on, and next just drop your capsule back in, line it up, 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and 3, and it's all done.